So you've got a killer fintech idea, and now it's time to turn that dream into reality by registering with the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, or BSP. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. The first step is the pre-application phase. This is where you lay the groundwork to save yourself months of headaches later. Make sure your business plan is detailed but realistic. You'll also need capital ready to go, IT systems documentation, a risk management framework, and a solid team lineup. Pro tip, don't forget your cybersecurity framework. BSP will scrutinize this, so get it done early to avoid scrambling later. Once your ducks are in a row, it's time for the application phase. Here's a timeline of what to expect. Weeks 1 to 2, document preparation. These will be your coffee-fueled paperwork sessions. Week 3 to 4, initial submission, the moment you hit send and pray. Week 5 to 8, BSP's review period, the nail-biting waiting game. Week 9 to 12, addressing feedback. This is where your prep work really pays off. Week 13 and up, finally, approval day. It's time to celebrate. Pro tip, BSP's Fintech office can be incredibly helpful. Schedule a pre-application meeting. They're there to guide you. Congrats! You're now registered, but the journey doesn't end here. BSP requires regular reports to keep you compliant. Monthly transaction reports, quarterly financial statements, and annual audited financials are standard. You'll also need to report incidents as they occur. With these steps, you're well on your way to building a trusted fintech company under BSP's regulation. Good luck, and here's to your success in the fintech world.